are searching for the right partner, and one of my friend is actually suggested the KC Overseas. I contacted one of the person, and I understand all the process flow and everything, keeping this company going well. And I started without knowing anything regarding the student recruitment, but with the KC support, everything is smooth and well. And now we are very good in this business only because of KC support. Main point I observed in KC, it's only the work culture of the employees, because whenever we require anything, any time of the clock, someone is there to support us. So this business is going well only because of KC, and all the commission and everything, the invoices are actually requested by KC, not from our side. KC is asking the invoices to paying the commission to us. That is very easy to focus on the business. The next thing is actually the technical side. Because of the course finder, without any hazards, we can follow the process actually. That is the tech side of the KC. So I wish all the best to the KC, and moreover in the market we can see a lot of other people, but I don't feel that like KC, no other agents in the market, because they are very transparent in terms of cash flow and the fund, and everything is transparent, so we can able to focus on our marketing side and everything. So rest all the things are actually KC taking care. So I wish all the best to the KC team. Thank you.